What's up, guys? Welcome back to Farm Fresh Racing. First, I want to point out that this hoodie and this hat that I do have on is available on our website. So if you want to go get yourself some Matthew Motor swag, go head on over to the website and put yourself an order in. In this episode, we're going to be pulling out the rear end, getting rid of the original leaf spring setup, doing some painting, and prepping for the new ladder bar and coilover setup. All right, now that the rear end's out of the car, we got a couple things to do. We have to cut off the perches on the axle so then we can just make it one, bare tube so we can mount our new ladder bar brackets on. Second thing we're gonna do, we need to weld in a cross member. We're gonna use 2x2 box steel, weld it in between the frame rails so then we have something to mount our upper shock mount to. And lastly, we're just going to clean up the whole bottom of the car, get rid of anything we don't need, and put some paint on there, make it look pretty. a good day today. Got Dad under the car painting, and we just got word that our ladder bars showed up. So let's go check those out. Well, hey there, pup.
Panhard.
Yeah, that's nice.
Looks nice. Big time. Yeah, buddy. Those are gonna look like shit.
All right, just want to give a huge shout out to the company called Checkered Racing. They're out of Indiana. They are the ones who made us these ladder bars. We ended up getting the ladder bars, all the mounts for the ladder bars. We got shock mounts, upper and lower, and a Panhard bar. Ordered all those through Checkered Racing. They did a great job. These look fantastic. I'm excited to get them on the car. So if you guys are looking for ladder bars, any sort of suspension, I'm pretty sure they do back halves, they do full frames. If you guys are looking for any of that stuff, check out Checkered Racing. Again, they're located in Indiana. They made these in under 2 weeks for us. So the guy who owns it, I believe his name is Logan, super nice guy. So if you guys need any of that, make sure to check out Checkered Racing. I think that concludes this episode for this one. One final thing, as I promised in the last video, we are in the works of coming out with the schedule for Farm Fresh. Now, not all the tracks have released their dates yet, so there is going to be some additional events that we're going to be going to. They just haven't released all of them. But we do have a good majority of them, so I will post that in this video, and all the future videos I will post an updated schedule just so you guys know where we're going to be at, so you guys can come take a look at the car, check it out, talk with us, meet us, all that fun stuff. So as always, thanks for sticking around. Thank you guys for all the subscribers, viewers, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys next time.